Have you ever found yourself locked out of your house, car, or place of business? If so, then you know how frustrating and inconvenient it can be. Call Same Day Unlock Locksmith in Baltimore, Maryland. We are the locksmith company for immediate and emergency lockouts. We offer 24-hour service with no hidden fees or overcharges. Whether you need to get back inside your home from a lost key or just want to make sure that all entrances are secure at nighttime, we've got you covered. Call us today for more information about our services. We have been serving the Baltimore area for over 10 years, and cannot wait to get you back inside your car, home, or office. Our expert, certified, professional locksmiths are standing by to come to your rescue. In most cases, we can be there within the hour, and have you back inside within minutes of arriving. If you need a locksmith in Baltimore now, call us at 410-291-1586. Again, that is 410-291-1586 for the most affordable locksmith in Baltimore.